Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to remove the back panel of MacBook Pro A2338 model in easiest way. Here two locks are there. If you unlock that two locks, it is easy to open the back panel. Remove all the screw with suitable screwdriver. 6 screws are there. You need to remove all the screws. After removing all screws, you need to take two openers. After removing all screws, you need to take one opener and insert from hinges side. Make a little bit of space to insert another opener. Little space. Don't pull harder. It was going to damage your back cover. Make a little space to insert another opener. And after inserting, you move around the edge of the back panel. Slowly. You need to move around the edge of the back panel. Okay, here unlock is going on. You are going to hear the sound of unlock. Move around the edge of the back panel or back cover. In opposite side also one unlock is going on. Here in this position, little bit in this position also unlock is going on. After unlock both the locks, it is easy to open the back panel. Make a space to insert both the fingers in front side. See here how I am going to insert my finger. You can do in same way, because this is the easiest way to open the back panel. See, if you make a space in front side and hold the panel. See how I am going to show you. You can see here. Insert your both the fingers and pull the panel front side. See, in this way you can remove the back panel of any MacBook Pro, any MacBook. Sorry, this is the dead condition laptop. We are going to repair. Friends, if you are interested in my channel, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, press the bell icon for next upcoming mobile and laptop technical related videos. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.